welcome to iPint. Thank you for your interest in our production planning in aircraft maintenance course. This is a self-paced course, and this video is like a preview for you to have an idea how the course content is going to be get delivered and what is the level of the course content. I hope you guys like it. And if you like it and want to enroll for the training, you can directly visit the link given in the description box. And if you are interested in customized discount or want corporate training, you can reach us to the mentioned email ID and the contact number. So let's get started.
Hello everyone, let us start our training on the topic of production planning in aircraft maintenance. The voiceover will be AI generated. Are you excited for this training? Here we will learn about aircraft production planning and will cover 9 key areas. The first one is the introduction to production planning. The second one is the responsibilities of production planning within aircraft maintenance. The third one is the Aircraft Maintenance Program, AMP, familiarization. The fourth one is the Aircraft Maintenance Manual and IPC familiarization. The fifth one is aircraft historical data and stakeholders of planning. The sixth one is aircraft maintenance turnaround time. The seventh one is aircraft maintenance turnaround time reduction techniques. The eighth one is aircraft maintenance compliance. The ninth one is capacity planning in aircraft maintenance. The last is the final quiz. Let us kick off our training on production planning in aircraft maintenance. In this session, we'll start with an introduction to planning and explore its significance in aviation. We'll also introduce the Maintenance Organisation Exposition, MOE. Let's get started! Production planning and control. Planning governed by ESA. Part 145 or CAR 145 or similar regulations is commonly referred to as production planning or production planning and control. Part 145 provides detailed guidelines and procedures outlined in the Maintenance Organisation Exposition, MOE. Now, let us understand what Maintenance Organisation Exposition, MOE, is. The Maintenance Organisation Exposition, MOE, is a governing document which takes care of 4 vital elements. The first one is maintenance management. Here, MOE provides details of aircraft maintenance management and processes associated with each position holder. The second one is maintenance procedure. Here, MOE provides details of aircraft-based maintenance and line maintenance procedures. The third one is quality system process. Here, MOE provides details of the quality system or compliance monitoring system and its function. Fourth one is a contractual agreement. Here, MOE provides details of various contractual agreements with operators and process associated with it. I hope you now have some top-level clarity of Maintenance Organisation Exposition, MOE. As the process mandated by Maintenance Organisation Exposition, MOE. From a business management perspective, there are 4 key expectations from production planning. It begins with work packaging, where production planning prepare work package based on work scope received from maintenance planning, track aircraft maintenance progress and timely completion of it. Second is resource management, wherein which production planning review resource requirements against each work package and optimize resource utilization. Resource means manpower, tools, materials, technical documents, hangar space, and workshops, GSE, etc. Third is estimation, where a review of estimated costs associated with work is performed by production planning, as cost management is one of the vital functions. The fourth one is reports, in which production planning delivers the contractual reporting, maintenance progress reports, completions reports, and assets reports. Such reports are being delivered on a weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, quarterly, and annual basis. Let us dive into the next part of production planning. In this section, we'll explore the various responsibilities taken over by production planning, understanding critical aspects of it to get well familiarized with the amount of load. We'll also study resource identification, discussing the different ways to find out the relevant information,